everyone, good afternoon. This is Faith and time check at 4:29 p.m. So, yeah, kakagising ko lang. So quick story lang, no. Before I realized or I thought that finding VA clients was easy. Like, okay, mag-apply ka lang naman, magsisend ka ng mga few messages and eventually land on one. Pero, I'm wrong. The more I tried kasi doing it, I realized na yes, it's not that pretty simple at all. There's actually a lot that goes into it eh. Kung saan mo hahanapin yung clients mo, how are you going to position yourself, and how you're going to reach out and also follow through. And honestly, up until now, I'm still figuring it out. So, naisip ko, instead of doing this quietly again behind the scenes, I decided na dadalhin ko kayo. Yes, you heard it right. I want to bring you with me. So for the next 30 days, I'm going to challenge and document everything I will be doing, kung anong platform ang i-explore ko, how I look for potential clients, paano ako mag-reach out sa kanila or whatnot. And yes, kasama din dito kung paano ko i-handle yung rejections. Yeah. So no pretending, no gatekeeping, just real, honest progress. So samahan niyo ako, let's gather some tips, share insights, and help each other land the right client. So, see you tomorrow for my day one. Bye!